is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 27 of A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language. And in this video we will discuss a program in Java to understand the usage of logical operators in Java. So let's start with the Eclipse IDE. So viewers, now we will click on this button, click on the Java project. The name of the project is as the using and operator, which is a logical operator. And I will click on the next button, click on the finish. Now, the name of the module is program. Click on the create button. Now here is the using and operator project. We will right click on the module and delete it. Now once again click on the src folder, right click on it, go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class and type the name as program and click on the public static void main in order to create a main method in the program. So here we are. We will first type // and type the command as description of this program, which is also a name of this project, which is using and operator in Java. So here we will type a method name static void. It's the Java is a case sensitive language, so we should take care of while typing. So if I type S over here as a capital, it will never execute. Type void V as a capital. So this, since you can see the color has not been changed because Java compiler cannot understand it. If I use small s, the error symbol removed. Type a small v, can give a name. So we can type and OPS, name of the method. So here we will type under this structure. We will use an integer variable with a variable name a and assign a value 10 to it. So here a is declared and defined with value 10. Once again we will use an integer variable with a variable name b and initialize it with a value 20. Now we have two variables, and now we'll compare these two variables by using an if condition, and we'll use if a greater than 5 and b less than 25. So we'll check this statement. You can see that a is greater than 5, it's a true condition, and b is less than 25, which is also a true condition. So both conditions are true. So in the case of AND operator, both the expression should be true in order to generate and given true output. So we'll give a command is true when both conditions are true, else false. So since we have a true statement over here, you can see a is greater than 5 in expression 1, and then b is greater than 25 in expression 2, and both expressions are true by using an AND operator. So our if condition is a true condition, and now it will generate a true result. Now we'll see system.out.println, and we will type value of a comma b is greater than 5 and less than 25. So we have typed a first in order to check that a is greater than 5 and b is less than 25. So this is the order which we will follow. It means that the statement is written in a way that you should understand that a is greater than 5 and b is less than, or you can type a is greater than 5 and value of b is less than 25. This is a clear statement. And now we will use an else structure, and type if in another way, we will see that this condition becomes false. Just in case, then we'll type system.out.println. We'll type value of a colon space plus a, which is 10, and use one more print statement, copy it and paste over here, and type that value of b plus b. So it will return the value plus a, means that whatever is stored in a will be displayed over here, like 10 will be displayed with this statement, value of a colon space, and the plus b will return the value of 20, and the output will be like value of b colon space 20. Now the method is complete. Method name is and OPS. Now we will call this in the main method, which is always necessary to call in order to see the output on the screen. So we'll type the appropriate name, the complete name without any error. If I type and OPS like this, so compiler will not understand because it's a case sensitive language, since we have used capital O over here and, so we will type O as a capital O over here in order to see the output on the screen. So all set. So now we'll click on this run button and click run as, and click on the Java application. Now you can see value of a is greater than 5, value of b is less than, so greater than 5, and value of b is less than 25. I'm gonna run it once again. Going to the run button, click on the run as Java application. Now you can see the correct output. Value of a is greater than 5, which is a true condition. The value of b is less than 25. But if we type like different values, like if I give 4 over here, which is less than 5, and 26 over here, which is greater than 25, 26, so b is greater than, so here we need to check that a is greater than 5, but since the value of a is 4, the condition becomes false. And once again, if I type b is less than 25, which is also false condition since the value of b is 26, so we will see this output, value of a is 4 and value of b is 26. So I'm gonna run this way. If I change the values like this and going to the run button, click on the run as Java application. Now you can see value of a is 4 and value of b is 26. But here you should know that the value of AND operator will be true when both conditions are true. So we have given a comment right over here that is true when both conditions are true, else false. So if I give any one of them as true, like if I give 6 over here or give 10 over here, but since you can see now this condition is true because the value of a is greater than 5, but then since here once again the value of b is greater than 25, which is 26, so here you can see the one condition is true but the other one is false, so we can never see this output because the AND operator always generate a true result if both conditions are true. Since the both expressions are not true, one of them is true, which is a is greater than 5, value of 10 is greater than 5, but here the value of b is greater than 26, which is a false expression. So the result will be a false, so the control will be transferred to the else statement, and we can see the output as value of a is 10 and value of b is 26. I'm gonna run this. So value of a is 10, b is 26, so this condition also becomes false. So in order to see this output, both these expressions should be true, must be true in order to see this, because AND operators always generate a true result when both conditions or both expressions are true. So this is how this program is executed by using an AND operator. So I'm gonna give once again the old values. So I need to see this result, so I'm gonna click on it, run as job. See value is greater than 5, value is less than 25. So that's all, viewers. In our next video we'll discuss more logical operators like OR operator and NOT operator to build our concept more stronger in Java programming language, understanding the logical operators. That's all. Thanks for watching.